Hi guys, I have another experiment for you today. Today we are going to do something called chromatography, and it's just separating mixtures. But today we're going to find out what sort of colors go into making up a pen. So I picked black and brown, and I have some water here, and I just have some little jars, and I have a coffee filter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by drawing a circle on my coffee filter. It doesn't have to be a fancy circle. It could just be a scribbled circle, just as long as you get lots and lots of that black ink on there. Okay. Once you have your circle, you're going to fold it. You might need a grown-up's help with this because it's sometimes a little bit tricky. It doesn't matter if you fold it really carefully, as long as you just get a shape kind of like this. Okay? In our cup, we're just going to put a little bit of water. We don't want a lot of water. We would just want a tiny bit of water, just enough so that the end of our triangle can touch the water. Like that. While I'm waiting on that one, I'm going to go ahead and do a brown one. I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to draw a big circle, and then I'm going to fold it up. Until I get kind of a triangle. It has rounded edges. Triangles have 3 sides that are straight. And then I'm going to put it in a little glass of water. And what's happening with the one that we just did? It's starting to suck the water up into the coffee filter. And pretty soon, if you wait a little while, you'll see it goes all the way to the edges. And I have one to show you that I started earlier. This is one I started a little bit earlier. And I used black. But look at all the different colors. How did we get all these colors? I see black, and I see blue, and maybe some green around the edges. I'm going to take it out, have my cookie sheet, which I use for my science experiments because it helps keep things neat. And I'm going to unfold it. There, I put it out. And I see there's some brown in there. Very interesting colors. My granddaughter and I did this experiment this weekend. And she chose lots of different colors. She chose brown. She chose black. She chose green, which didn't have very many other colors in it. But these are all dry now. And once they were dry, we made a butterfly. Here's a little picture of our butterfly. And what we did is, I had some of these. These are called twist ties. You could use pipe cleaners if you had pipe cleaners. Pretty much you could use a bread tie or maybe those twisty wire ties that come on your vegetables. But to make a butterfly out of your chromatography filters, you just crinkle up the middle. I'll show you. There's the butterfly with its wings. And then I have to put some twisty ties on. Now I have a bunch of butterflies. I could go for a walk, and I could get a stick, and I could tape some string, and I could hang the butterflies from the stick, and then I would have a way to hang it from the ceiling. Or I could take a little bit of Scotch tape and tape it to a paper. Or I could just play with it.